Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best stove grill cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools in any kitchen, especially for those who love to grill or frequently use their stovetop for cooking, as it tackles stubborn grease, burnt-on food, and tough stains that regular cleaning methods often struggle with, ensuring your cooking surfaces remain hygienic and looking pristine with minimal effort, making meal preparation and cleanup a breeze. Number 5. Weiman Glass and Ceramic Cooktop Cleaner Kit. Are you tired of stubborn burnt-on food and grease on your cooktop? This powerful cleaner is designed to tackle even the toughest messes, leaving your surfaces sparkling. No matter if you have an electric, gas, or induction cooktop, this kit has you covered. It's formulated to safely and effectively clean all types of glass and ceramic surfaces. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need. You'll find a specialized cooktop scraper and 3 durable scrubbing pads to help you achieve a perfect clean. Easily restore the original shine and brilliance of your cooktop. Say goodbye to dullness and hello to a beautifully clean kitchen appliance. Cleaning your cooktop has never been easier. With this effective solution, you can achieve professional results with minimal effort, saving you time and hassle. What we like? This cleaner is specifically designed for glass and ceramic cooktops. It comes with a scraper and scrubbing pads to tackle tough, burnt-on messes. If you have a glass or ceramic stove and are dealing with stubborn, baked-on food, this is the kit for you. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from my stove grill. The design of the bottle allows for easy application, and the formula works quickly to break down burnt-on food. I was impressed with how well it cleaned my cast iron grill without damaging the surface. Number 4. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish Kit. Introducing the Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish Kit. This comprehensive 3-piece set is designed to keep all your stainless steel surfaces looking their best. It effectively removes fingerprints, grease, water spots, and residue, leaving a brilliant, streak-free shine. Plus, it creates a protective barrier to prevent future smudges. Our gentle, non-abrasive formula is safe for all stainless steel finishes, including black stainless. It cleans without scratching or dulling your surfaces. Perfect for refrigerators, dishwashers, ovens, sinks, grills, and more. Use it on both indoor appliances and outdoor stainless steel exteriors. Simply spray, wipe in the direction of the grain, and buff with the microfiber cloth for a perfect finish. No rinsing required. This value kit includes convenient wipes for quick touch-ups, a 12-ounce spray cleaner, and a reusable microfiber cloth for complete care. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive solution for stainless steel surfaces, cleaning, polishing, and protecting them. Its anti-fingerprint formula keeps appliances looking pristine. If you're looking for a complete care package for your stainless steel appliances and want to maintain a smudge-free finish, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from stove grills. The formula is powerful yet safe to use on various grill surfaces, leaving them looking like new. It has a pleasant scent and doesn't require excessive scrubbing, making the cleaning process quick and easy. Number 3. Therapy Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish, Lavender Scent. Introducing our revolutionary cleaner and polish, designed to bring back the shine to your stainless steel surfaces. It effectively removes fingerprints and residue, leaving a brilliant finish. Formulated with 100% USDA bio-based ingredients, it's tough on smudges but gentle on your belongings. You can trust it for everyday use. This cleaner is safe to use on a variety of surfaces, including sinks, grills, and appliances. Keep your entire kitchen looking its best. Enjoy the soothing aroma of natural lavender essential oil as you clean. It leaves behind a fresh, pleasant scent, transforming your cleaning routine. Achieve a streak-free shine every time. It not only cleans but also polishes, protecting your stainless steel for longer. Experience a new standard in home cleaning. It's the effective, safe, and beautifully scented solution for all your stainless steel needs. What we like? This cleaner stands out with its USDA bio-based certification and a pleasant lavender scent, making cleaning a more enjoyable experience. It effectively removes fingerprints and residue from various surfaces. If you prioritize natural ingredients and a fresh, calming fragrance while cleaning your sinks, grills, and appliances, this product is ideal. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from stove grills. The formula is powerful and works quickly, saving time and effort during cleaning. It leaves the grill looking like new without excessive scrubbing. Number 2. Weiman Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish, 2-pack. Tired of smudges and streaks on your stainless steel surfaces? Introducing a powerful cleaner and polish designed to restore the brilliance of your appliances. Keep your kitchen looking pristine with our advanced anti-fingerprint spray. It actively repels smudges, ensuring a clean look for longer. Grease, water spots, and everyday grime don't stand a chance. This formula cuts through tough messes, leaving surfaces spotless. Achieve a flawless finish without any streaks or residue. Enjoy a truly clean and polished look on all your metal surfaces. Safe and effective for a variety of metal surfaces, including appliances, sinks, and grills. It's the all-in-one solution for your metal care needs. Experience the ease of achieving a professional shine in your own home. Just spray and wipe for a brilliant, lasting finish. What we like. This value pack provides 2 bottles of stainless steel cleaner, ensuring you have plenty on hand. It's formulated to remove grease and water spots without leaving streaks or residue. If you frequently clean stainless steel surfaces and want a reliable, streak-free shine with a convenient 2-pack option, consider this. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from stove grills. The formula works quickly, cutting through baked-on food residue with minimal scrubbing required. It leaves the grill looking like new without damaging the surface. Number 1. Easy Off Heavy-Duty Oven Cleaner. Tired of scrubbing stubborn grease and burnt-on food? Our powerful formula cuts through the toughest messes, making oven cleaning effortless. This heavy-duty cleaner is designed to tackle even the most baked-on grime. Experience a new level of clean with minimal effort. Enjoy a sparkling clean oven without the harsh chemical smell. Its fresh scent leaves your kitchen smelling great after cleaning. Watch as it effortlessly dissolves grease and burned food residue. It's the effective solution you need for a spotless oven. The 14.5 ounce can provide ample product for multiple uses. Get powerful cleaning performance in a convenient size. What we like. This is a powerful, heavy-duty cleaner designed to obliterate tough, burnt-on food and grease inside ovens. Its fresh scent makes the cleaning process less harsh. If you're facing extremely stubborn grime in your oven and need a no-nonsense, effective solution, this is the product you should reach for. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing tough grease and grime from stove grills. The formula is powerful yet safe to use on various grill surfaces without causing damage. It works quickly, cutting down cleaning time significantly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.